Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a 1985 Ford Mustang GT. Black with gray and black interior. No T-tops, which I kind of like. We got Bob here, the owner, going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Bob?
I'm good, Michael. How are you today?
Good. Did you know I had this same exact car in high school?
No, I didn't.
Mine had T-tops.
Did you like it?
I love the car. I didn't like the T-tops because they leaked all over the place. So tell us about it.
Well, it's a 1985 Mustang. I just had the whole car all redone. It's all
Beautiful.
painted, finished, whatever. It's got a 302 motor in it, 5.0. It's got the 5-speed, heavy-duty clutch. The head is everything you need to make it run. 411 gears.
Nice.
The interior is all redone.
It's beautiful.
It's got everything you want to put in a car. It really runs well. It's a driver. It's a real good car.
I say it's way nicer than a driver. Man, look at the polished pipes out the back. Really brings back memories. Sure you have headers and Flowmasters on it, right?
Yes, I do, yep.
Well, that's the first thing everyone did. Polish those pipes up real nice. Looks like you redid the wheels too, huh?
Yes, the wheels all redone. I powder coated all the wheels. All the brakes, wheels, everything has been redone. It's ready to drive. It's in good shape.
It's beautiful. This paint is gorgeous. When was the paint done? Looks fresh.
It just came 2 months. 2 months ago. It was done.
Wow.
All done 2 months ago. It's all finished.
Beautiful. Man, what a car. Really brings back memories. I never would have thought that my 85 Mustang GT would be a collectible item.
Right, me either.
Right?
No, not at all. I was very different from that kind of car. But they see everybody likes them, so it's a pretty car.
What's
How
not
could
to
you
like?
it?
How could you beat it?
Can't beat it. And the color combination is great with the gray inside, with the black outside.
Yeah,
Very
love it.
Very unique.
And I also like how you didn't add the stripes back on.
No, I didn't.
I like that clean look.
Yeah, clean and nice nice quiet. It's a very unique look.
It is.
Everybody's got the stripes and that scoop on the hood. No, I didn't want
Stupid scoop and all that. I love it. It looks so sinister.
Yeah.
And I like how it's got your stock wheels. I'm not a big fan of custom wheels on these cars.
Well, I was going to do it, but then I figured, nah, it's better. It looks better this way.
I agree.
You know, very plain,
yeah.
plain and pretty. Look how pretty the front is. Look at it.
So pretty.
Everything is unique.
Really is gorgeous. I've never seen one so clean.
Well, I bet you see a lot of them, right?
I see them all.
Well, you have some on your site too. I saw them.
Yeah, I do, but nothing like this. Super straight, beautiful body. No rust anywhere.
It's all new tail lights, all new everything. I took them all out, changed everything.
So it's completely stripped down and painted?
Yeah, well, I figured if you're going to do it, you might as well do it right.
Yeah.
When you open the doors, it makes that sound.
Right? Even that sound like brings back memories.
Yeah.
Man, beautiful. These seats are in gorgeous condition. So nice. Even the headliner is beautiful. Usually they sag along with these visors. And it's freaking great. Oh, 113,000.
Mine is 65.
Yeah.
It's about 60 something.
Okay. Air blows cold.
Yep. That's a must.
Right? I couldn't believe it when you pulled up.
Hey, I bet you thought it was going to come with the wheels down and the windows down, sweating to death.
It's 80 degrees here today.
I told you my age. I ain't doing that no more. I'm done. I was in Florida. My girlfriend, I said, I'm going, as I drive, I'm going to Georgia in October. I'm getting all my teeth done. So whatever. My daughter says to me, Dad, you got to stop. I said, for what? She wants me to push the lower bathroom. She has 4 kids. She has 2 bathrooms upstairs. She wants another full bathroom. She wants me to push it into the garage. She said, stop for a week and just buy. I said, you know what age I am?
Yeah. Well, how old are you now?
75.
75.
Yep. I'm going on 30, Mike.
Of course. I would never guess.
No, most people don't. Everybody says, oh, you don't know how old I am. I said, you have no idea how old I am. What I get a kick at is when the guys deliver material and stuff to the job.
When you love what you do, you know.
Yes, yes.
really not at work.
I agree. Now this is just original. I didn't go crazy in here, so you know.
Good. Well, that's what people want.
A couple of little things.
Everyone's got a modified Mustang with
This one's a
GT40 heads and
just the regular
Paxton supercharger.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you put one. They put the Coyotes in.
Yeah.
And it would run. But
Oh,
then you
this
got
would be
to
cool
tell
with
it.
a
You got to
Coyote.
do all that stuff like that guy just said.
Oh God, forget it.
Into all that.
I like how it's carbureted.
Yeah.
Power
All my
steering,
cars are
power
fuel
brakes.
Even the AMX I just built.
Yeah.
I put a 600 horsepower LS in it.
Whoa.
That's the next one. Now
Wow.
Yeah, it's almost done. I just got to finish it.
So pretty.
But I got a lot of money in that car.
MSD 6AL over there. Headers, Flowmaster exhaust, MSD coil, chrome alternator. And I like how it's not fuel injected.
No. You know, they can do them now by just taking the carburetor off and change it. It's like 1400 you can do.
Really?
But you know, it's like these cars, this has got all original motor and everything, so if people want to
Yeah.
really keep it the way it is, you can
Sure.
To me, it's
So pretty. Can you fire it up?
sure. That's another thing. Ow, I just pushed that back too hard.
Man, that sound. Sounds so good.
It's a little camera.
Yeah, light cam, huh?
Yeah, very light.
You rebuilt the motor too?
My friend did it. He had the
How many miles are on the rebuild?
65,000 miles. Yeah.
Wow.
It's got 65 on it now.
Light
But
cam.
he did the whole thing over.
So pretty. Love it. That's cold air. Custom stereo. He always puts a Kenwood in his cars. Aux out. Man, I remember that old school computer infotainment system. Very cool. Man, even new pedals, huh, Bob?
Yeah, cool. You know what it is? I get carried away by it. You see that little thing on your head?
Yeah.
That little foam thing? I just put that in your
Wow. The light.
I gotta check to see if it works.
Oh my God, it does work. And it's even LED. Look at that.
Little light. Might have to be a light.
No, it works.
The other one had fit 'em.
Very cool.
Runs good. Idle's good.
It really does. Man, the sound just brings back memories.
You know,
It really
this is what
does.
we had back in the day, you remember?
Yep, of course.
Nothing crazy.
Every car guy had one of these.
Everything's good.
Tesla, yeah.
There's no restriction. It's broken one noise.
Yeah,
I
so
can't
nice.
handle it.
I'll take a ride. I'll take you for a ride. You'll like it. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up. This is not going to last long. 631-339-0399. Check out my website, too. I took about 150 or so photos today. Bring back the memory. Visit my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Bob. It's always nice seeing you.